everybody. This is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I'm back from a somewhat long, protracted slowdown of reviewing, but this is going to change starting today, hopefully. It's been busy. We had winter break for the kids, and today I'm going to start a 3-day series of Chinese stuff. Why? Because I got a cool musical instrument for Christmas from my lovely wife, Kit. Thank you, baby. And I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah. This is Kang Fu's braised artificial beef flavor noodle from China. Spit it on. We've got this sachet, which needs kneading. Let it knead up a little bit. We've got some powder and we've got some vegetables. So what's new? What's new? What's happening with you? Today, the kids are enjoying an actual snow day, which when I was growing up in Washington State was a very, very rare occurrence. I think that happened like maybe a half dozen times during my life. I really don't, I don't remember it happening much at all. Nope. People were complaining about it. There's our veg action. People were complaining about it, just like, what? The streets are just fine. And last night they said it was going to be a 2-hour delay. And then come this morning, I got like a flash message. That's what they call them. Flash! News flash! Kids aren't going to school today. They were going to do a 2-hour delay, and that meant that Mimi wouldn't be going to school, but Miles would, because she's in preschool, and they just were like, nah, we're not even going to bother with that stuff today. But we'll let the bigger kids go for all but 2 hours. And then they were like, you know what? It's too jacked up out there still, so we can't. We're not going to. They don't do it on a case-by-case basis either. They do it like everybody's going or nobody's going. Or everybody's getting 2-hour delay or nobody's getting 2-hour delay. So some people were like, well, they should just let them stay home. And then this lady was all like, they should just let them stay home. She's like, it's nice to be right. I love it when I'm right. It's like, God. But just people complaining. They because I heard about it, and then so I posted it on the local Kenmore forum. And yeah, people took that as a reason to complain about the school system, which honestly we've had nothing but a great time having our kids go to our school district. So I don't know. Well, I demand a lot more from the education that my kids get. Well, you better believe it. Blah, 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 blah. I mean, it was just like on and on and on. It's like, dude. Lady, dude. Yeah. So this can go for 3 minutes. And now I will show you my new musical instrument. Let's set it up. This is called... This is called an erhu. It's a traditional Chinese instrument. And yeah, it's a bowed instrument, and I was bowing it like a violin where you put the bow over it, but that's not what you do. You put it under it. Okay. And I took the thing off, so let's try to put it back on and see if I can get this happening. I've always wanted one of these. I've heard like old Chinese guys down in, come on, like at Pike Place Market playing these, and I always thought it sounded so rad. There we are. Is that what we're looking at? Whoa. Kitchen erhu time. That's what they said. Is that the deal? Is it supposed to be upside? I don't know. Now I'm totally confused. No, I totally did this wrong. Sheesh. You gotta learn somewhere, right? So let's go like this. I think this is the deal. I think I got this. I think I'm doing it right. No! No! Yeah. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know what's going on, folks. What am I doing wrong? I don't know. I just don't know. Now I'm even more confused than I was before. This sucks. It's like I really want to figure this stupid thing out, and it's like... I don't know. I'll have to look at it again, but it's not... It's driving me nuts. I just want to play it, and it's supposed to be like one of the easiest bowed instruments to play, and I'm just having an ass time getting it to happen. But it's like, I swear to God I got it set up right. I'll look at it while I'm in between reviews. How about that? But braised beef, that's a pretty standard flavor of instant noodle from China. There's this brand, which sounds like another brand. This is Kang Fu. The one that people might confuse this with is Master Kang. And there was a big to-do about that. I was actually contacted about that. It's like if you went to the store and you were just a regular guy and were told to look for one or the other, would you confuse them? It's like, yeah, they both have a little chef guy and they all have the same flavors, so. I like the broth. The noodle, however, is very spongy. And one thing that you wouldn't confuse, regular Master Kang noodle, I really like that stuff. And this, just not as much. I do like the broth, though. I'd like to get the Master Kang that's in China. Like that comes with all the niceties. Do I want to use this? What do we got? We got a Lanzhou. We got that. Yeah, we'll go this route. Okay. So braised beef. Just needs something that it's missing, and I don't know exactly what it is. Give it another taste. That's how I feel about it. I'm like, Got some actual beef. I made a couple eggs this morning too. Me. Okay. Let's see how this goes. It's going about as I expected, folks. I'm not really... Ah, come on, you piece of... I mean, the egg's perfect, but it's running all over the place. There's gotta be a better way. Got egg all over the place. Christ. And not all in the right places either, because as you can see, there's some egg there and some not there. Well, I guess you can't see. Always a little bit of getting back to it after I take some time off. I did find a new trick for making less of a mess. Just let Holy Slicer do it right into a bag. Put a bag over it and do your business. Isn't that right, folks? Yeah. I don't know how well this is going to work as far as getting it out. Ah! There's that. There we are, and a little bit of well, I guess that's that, because that is missing. Right? I don't get it. Where'd my pepper go? Is it up there? There it is. My crushed red pepper was in the wrong spot. So there we are. Enjoy. The next one you'll see is this Beijing Szechuan Baija Lanzhou artificial beef noodle. Looks fancy. Comes in a bag. So yeah, that'll be coming up tomorrow for you. And it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.